Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to deactivate Truecaller app and completely delete your data from Truecaller app database. So let's find out. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to head over to your Truecaller app. I'm going to click on here to open up my Truecaller app. The next thing you need to do is to click on these three dots from the top. The next thing you need to do is to click on settings. The next thing you need to do is to go to privacy center. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down right here and make sure you look for deactivate my account. The next thing you need to do, read these instructions right here. Are you sure you want to deactivate your account? Please read and confirm that you will no longer have access to post, caller identification, spam protection, Truecaller account. What you need to do is to make sure you select them one after the other. Once you select them one after the other, next thing you need to do is to simply click on yes right here. Thank you for being part of the Truecaller community. We are sad to see you are considering deactivating your account. Here is a reminder of how you have benefited from Truecaller. So simply come down below right here and click on continue. Please let us know why you would like to deactivate. Thank you. I don't use this number anymore. I don't use the app anymore. I don't want Truecaller to show my name or that reason. You can choose any of the reasons. Don't want to use it anymore. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on continue right here. Please confirm account deactivation. Come down below right here and make sure you click on deactivate. The account has been successfully deactivated. Next thing you need to do is to exit from here, and then you have to head over to your Chrome browser. I'm going to click on my Chrome browser right here. So for you to completely delete your information from Truecaller database, you have to enlist your data. And for you to do that, come to the Chrome browser right here, click on this plus sign here to create a new tab. So click on here. Then having created a new tab, click on here and make sure you search for Truecaller unlisted. Then click on send. It's going to take you right here. What you need to do is to click on the first link right here. It's going to take you right here. Simply scroll down, all the way down, and make sure you click on no, I want to unlist. Then right here, enter your phone number. Having entered your phone number, make sure you click on this box right here. Then here, you'll be asked to answer some of these questions right here. Select all images with tier. This one here, and then hit on verify, just like so, have been verified. You can simply scroll down right here. Do you still want to have access to this phone number? Simply click on no right here. So once you choose no, then this information is pumped up. Please contact support@truecaller.com in order to unlist your phone number. So you have to copy this email and send the Truecaller team a mail that your number should be enlisted, and tell them that your number should be unlisted from their database. And with that, all your information, everything will be deleted from their database. It's that simple. Lastly, we have to simply exit from the web, and we have to go to the Google account that has been linked into the Truecaller. For you to do that, head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to simply click on my phone settings right here. Go to your phone settings. I'm going to simply click on my phone settings right here. You have to open up my phone settings. I have to scroll down and make sure I go to Google right here. The next thing I'm going to do is to simply proceed with my Google account name. I'm going to simply click on Google account right here. Then right here, I need to make sure then at this point here, I make sure I click on sign in security. And I have to simply scroll down right here and make sure I go to your connection to third-party apps and services. Then we need to make sure we click on see all connections. Then we have to simply scroll down right here and we'll make sure we click on Truecaller phone call blocker. Click on that. And this is going to pump up. Next thing we want to do is to simply scroll down right here and we'll read the detail. The next thing we want to do here is to make sure we click on delete all connection you have with Truecaller phone blocker. So click on here and this is going to pop up. Delete the connection you have with Truecaller. Simply click on confirm. You are no longer connected to Truecaller phone call blocker. You can connect to Truecaller phone call blocker again at any time. Simply click on close right here. It's that simple. By the time you refresh your third-party section, Truecaller will no longer be here, and your phone is fully free from Truecaller hack. It's that simple. So lastly, we have to head over back to our phone screen right here, and we'll make sure we locate Truecaller at the icon. So all we want to do here is to click and hold down, and this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to click on App Info, and it's going to take us right here. Next thing we want to do is to make sure we go to Storage and Cache. Then what we want to do here is to make sure we click on Clear Cache. This will clear the all cache. Next thing we want to do is to click on Clear Storage. This will delete all data that we have in the storage settings of our phone. So make sure we click on Delete. Then all the user data has been deleted so far. Next thing we want to do is to simply tap on Back. So here, what we want to do now is to come down to where we have uninstall. Click on uninstall. Then do you want to uninstall this app? Click on OK. It's that simple. And by the time you refresh your phone, Truecaller app will no longer be here. So let's check out. So where you see. So just like what you see right here, Truecaller is no longer here. As simple as that. So basically, this is how to deactivate and permanently delete your data from Truecaller app without any stress. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Android phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.